Hello everyone, today we're talking about how to get free gems and coins in Airplane Chefs. As you can see on my device is already installed Airplane Chefs++. It's modded version who allowed you to generate for our account free gems and coins. So how it works is very easy. Enter amount as you want, so I enter this number. And then the next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated. Way to finish this process. After complete of this process our account will be open and everything will be generated. So it's already open our account and look of this, everything is work. Now I have free gems and coins in Airplane Chefs. So this mod works for 2023, but how to get this application for Android or iOS device? This step is very easy to get. Airplane Chefs for Android or iOS device. All to do, we must open our browser, go to this website. As you can see, this website allowed you to install a lot of application. Type this the Airplane Chefs. Okay, press button install. Wait to finish this process because the last step is verification. Follow our instruction. After complete this easy verification, Airplane Chefs++ will be installed for Android or iOS device in 2023.